Welcome everybody to a POV drive of my 2006 Infiniti G35 drift car. Oh, look at the hard body. Very cool. Very cool. Okay. It's every single Prius driver. Like, you can't make this up. It's every single one. We're doing 10 under the speed limit at the moment. There's a 55 mile an hour speed limit sign right here. Let's watch what this Prius driver does. What do you know? If anything, they're slowing down. This is supposed to be a fun road, but I can't even have fun. This is incredible. We've reached 40 miles an hour in a 55 mile an hour speed limit zone behind a Prius. I think this might be the first time a Prius has ever only gone 50 miles an hour under the speed limit. This is a revolution. Yes, they're turning left. Let's go. We are going to turn right. This thing is so slow. So slow compared to the 37, it's not even funny. Ah, yes, well, the diff things. Holy rev hang, look at this. I have to wait like the whole 2 seconds to let off the clutch. I need a lightweight flywheel and a tune. And then it'll be so much better. Oh, I just smacked the GoPro on my roof. Boop. Hold on. I know, it's the perfect time to grab the thumbnail. Can I change my aspect ratio? I can. Yeah, that's it. Sweet. Look at that, only $27. Holy cow, for 6 gallons though? Ouch. If you want to get a VQ, your wallet's gonna hate you. Pro tip, be prepared to spend a lot of money on gas, especially if you like to enjoy your car, like I do. Where'd my key go? That was not nice. I didn't like that. Everything that you guys are about to see is filmed on a closed course. This is Forza Horizon 5 gameplay. This is AI. Don't try any of this at home.